Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make this chocolate zucchini bread today. It is wicked easy. It smells amazing. So if you haven't subbed, if you'd sub, I'd appreciate it. Turn on the notification button and let's do this. Thank you guys. As always guys, I will have the recipe at the bottom in the description box with grams. You know, it also has a link to go print the recipe on the website in case you didn't know that. So, in here I have a cup of all-purpose flour. I have half a cup of dark cocoa, it's unsweetened. I have a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna whisk this together. And we're just gonna set this aside. In this bowl, I have half a cup of oil. It is just vegetable oil. If you're gonna use, say, olive oil, make sure it's not extra virgin so your bread doesn't taste like olives, okay? I'm gonna add 2 eggs that have been sitting at room temperature. These are large eggs, by the way. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3/4 cups of light brown sugar. And we're going to mix that well until we have a nice cream. We don't want any little clumps of brown sugar in there, so make sure you get rid of all of them, okay? We're going to add our dry ingredients. We just want to mix this in, make sure there's no dry flour. Ugh, that looks like a brownie batter. So now we're going to fold in 1.5 cups of shredded zucchini. Just so you know, I shredded a zucchini that is this size. It's medium, and that's 1.5 cups. So just so you get an idea. So we're gonna fold that in. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of walnuts to this. I'm using dark chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet. So I got about half of what I have in here. Fold that in. As you can see, this is a nice thick batter. All right, we're gonna transfer this to our loaf pan. I buttered the loaf pan. Now I'm gonna transfer the batter. And I'm going to sprinkle a little more nuts and chocolate chips on top. This is gonna go into an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 centigrade for between 40 and 50 minutes, guys. I'm gonna check it in 40 minutes. I'm gonna put a little pick in it. If it's cooked, I'll bring it out. If it's not, I'll leave it for another 5 and then for another 5 if necessary, okay? Every oven's different, so you do the same. That was another 1/4 cup of chips and 1/4 cup of walnuts. I'll see you when this is cooked. 55 minutes, guys. That's what it took in my oven. I checked it at 40. It was still a little raw, and then 5 minutes went up, 55. So again, every oven's different. You just go checking yours. This is beautiful. Oh, it smells amazing. I can't wait to taste it. We're gonna let it cool down in the pan for a good 15 minutes, then we'll flip it and let it cool down completely on the cooling. All right, I am going to slide a knife around the edges of my bread so that it'll unmold easier. That didn't stick at all. Now we're just going to flip it and unmold. Oh. Okay, we'll finish cooling it down and we'll taste. Let's taste this. It's very moist. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Oh my gosh. Mmm. This is perfect. It is super chocolatey. Oh, you don't even know there's zucchini in there at all. It just adds to the moisture of it. Ay, ay, ay. This is good stuff, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you give me a like, That'd be awesome. I'll see you soon.